Hi, we're on the show floor at WinHEC 2007 with Matt Behrens and Steve Cole from Quixtar. Matt, tell us about Quixtar.
Quixtar is the number one e-tailer in health and beauty.
Now, the interesting thing about Quixtar is that you have hundreds of thousands of independent business owners that basically have their own relationships with their own customers, but are affiliated with Quixtar as kind of their central business.
Correct. Outside people can come into the website and purchase product without being affiliated with anybody, or the majority of the people come in who already have a relationship with an existing independent business owner to purchase product that way.
And how many products are available through Quixtar?
Tens of thousands of products.
Tell us a little bit about the role that technology plays in enabling the success of Quixtar.
Quixtar used to be a very high-touch, very personal type business back, prior to the website launch in 1998. Since then, 80% of the business has gone to the web. 80% of our revenue is generated by our independent business owners over the web.
Now, Steve, you manage the web aspects of Quixtar's business. Tell us a little bit about the technical parameters of the websites and the web presence that the business has.
Well, we have a fairly robust infrastructure to support the web. We actually run our website across two separate data centers that are active to provide high availability for our independent business owners. We know that since more than 80% of all of our business comes via the web, it's critically important for us to be able to provide a stable, reliable, and performance-driven experience for our IBOs.
How many servers?
We have hundreds of servers that actually support our independent business owners today.
And an Active Directory with how many objects?
Approximately 3.3 million objects in our web directory.
Tell us a little bit about what the role that Windows Server Longhorn has played in your business.
Longhorn, we've been able to use IIS 7, Internet Information Services 7, the next generation of the web application product. We really like the modularity of IIS 7, so we could strip down, remove the things that we don't need out of the web server itself.
And on the web front, what role has Windows Server 2008 played for you?
Well, one of the most critical pieces of our web infrastructure is the actual web server. We have very high volumes of traffic across our web server infrastructure, and currently we have been running IIS 7 in the past before Longhorn, but now we're running IIS 7 on Windows 64-bit servers, and we're seeing some really good performance capacity as well as really great features in the next generation.
You guys were part of the early adopter, what's called the TAP program for Microsoft. Has that been a beneficial experience for you?
Oh, absolutely. The TAP program has enabled us to talk to all the product engineers, and the support that we've obtained from people themselves has been unbelievable.
And when you look at the new generation of products relative to what you had been using prior to your experience with the TAP program, you seeing great improvements? Is it really worth the trouble and the effort to kind of make the upgrade?
It's definitely worth the effort to get to IIS 7. Like in the past, between IIS 5 and IIS 6, we've seen great functionality and performance increases from version to version, and this is definitely a step in the right direction.
And Steve, on the web front, are you seeing similar kinds of improvements?
We're seeing a lot of improvements on the web front. Many of the things that we really enjoy about IIS 7 is a lot of the new features like the advanced administration, diagnostics, and other features that are built into IIS 7 to allow us to be able to more easily administer and manage the website.
Terrific. Thanks very much for your time. We've been talking with Steve Cole and Matt Behrens from Quixtar, and for Microsoft, I'm Mario Juarez.